So, sabi nga po natin, ang pag-exercise ay should be lifestyle. Should be a lifestyle. You do it. Hanggat maaari po, gawin po natin siyang everyday. Kung tigmaikli lang, 15 minutes or 5 minutes, tigmaikli. Do it for 5 or 10 minutes. But if you are doing it for a long time, like 30 minutes or 1 hour, then we can do it best alternately. For example, Monday, you can exercise, then Tuesday, and then Wednesday, Thursday, no. It's gonna be alternate when you do exercise. So, ayun. Exercise is good for our health. Hi, Edmondia. Hello, who is that? Hello, who is that? Bristol. Hello, Bristol. At Bristol.